Cyclone Remal, the first major cyclone of the year 2024, struck the coastlines of India and Bangladesh, resulting in significant devastation and at least 16 deaths. In Bangladesh, the cyclone claimed 10 lives, with many victims dying en route to shelters from collapsing structures or by drowning during the storm. Disaster Management Chief Mijanur Rahman noted the reluctance of people to leave their homes and livestock until it was often too late. The cyclone caused extensive damage, destroying nearly 35,000 homes across 19 districts and particularly damaging an additional 115,000 homes. In West Bengal, India, 6 people were killed, mainly due to electrocution. It disrupted power and communication lines, leaving nearly 3 million people in Bangladesh and 1.2 million in West Bengal without electricity. In Bangladesh, the government preemptively shut down electricity in some areas to prevent accidents, but fallen trees and snapped power lines further disrupted the supply, leaving millions without mobile service. The flooding overwhelmed drainage system, causing severe waterlogging, particularly in the Sundarbans, home to one of the world's largest mangrove forests shared by India and Bangladesh. Flooded roads disrupted travel in the Bangladeshi capital Dhaka and Kolkata, India, where high tides and rain caused wall collapses and brought down at least 52 trees. Kolkata resumed flights after more than 50 cancellations and restored suburban train services. Both nations evacuated nearly 1 million people to storm shelters, with about 8 lakh people moved to safety in Bangladesh and approximately 110,000 in India. UNICEF representative to Bangladesh, Sheldon Ed, reported that over 8.4 million people, including 3.2 million children, are at high risk in terms of health, nutrition, sanitation, and safety.